Use the markets may be flat, but lots of individual stocks. It's not just banking really. Look at a Sequence Scientific, that is up 14%. TTK Healthcare is up 8%. There is some of the power names which are doing up and round. Let's get it Sudeep Padappadhyay, MD and CEO of Destimoney Securities, who joins us right now on the show. Sudeep, good having you. Thanks so much for taking the time out. Can't really help but ask you about what's happening in banking. You think some of these mid-sized banks, we'll get to the markets in a bit, but just the frenzy, Sudeep, that we're seeing in some of the banking names. You think it's essentially the effect of the upcoming banking amendment bill?
Well, I think to a great extent it's the anticipation of the banking bill. Of course, and some stock-specific news also is floating in the market. Karnataka Bank is one stock where there are lots of rumors in the market. So I think that's being predominantly driven by rumors. One doesn't know, how far the rumor is true or not, but that's being driven by rumors. We still believe, apart from even the banking amendment bill and lots of other things which are being talked about, there is a fundamental rationale for banking stocks to go up in the near future. The interest rate cycle is definitely going to reverse in the near future, and surely there is a lot of value in the banking stock. You need to be a little careful in what you are picking, considering the NPA condition, considering the, the net interest margin of the respective banks. But by and large, banks look good at current stage.
What would you do though? I mean, it's one thing to probably buy some of these banking names, factoring in the interest rate cycle reversal, because that's still some time to come, and that doesn't have an immediate impact. I mean, just looking at the kind of frenzy that some of these takeover / M&A / whatever you call it, mood that some of these stocks are in. I mean, do you play that theme at all? Because a lot of market participants are now starting to do that. Look at some weaker names, hope that they will be taken over by some stronger names. The RBI may well push them to do so, and therefore make them an investment case.
Well, I'm not very sure whether one should play, and we definitely don't advise investors to play these themes. It's an extremely, risky strategy to play. I really don't see too much of a rationale for some of these, acquisitions which are being talked about in the market. So I will refrain from advising investors to invest in these stocks based on the rumors which are floating in the market.
What's the call right now in terms of what you would pick from the index? Sudeep, what is it that you're most bullish on?
As I just mentioned, we continue to remain very bullish on private sector banks, and that also the large cap private sector banks. So stocks like ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, these are our top picks. I think that's one space where we are very comfortable. The other space in the large cap universe where we are comfortable is the automobile. But again, very, very selectively, we are bullish on Maruti, we are bullish on M&M.